So hey, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the thumbnail guys, today we're going to create our first ever live spinning Beyblade X Beyblade, and that is going to be Cobalt Dragoon. Almost giving me a vibe of the actual Plastic Gen Dragoon, you know, the Dragoon GT Beyblade from Plastic Gen. Well, as a live spinning Beyblade, this Cobalt Dragoon Bay is just insane looking. As you can see here, the looks are very cool and insane. But yeah, only one thing is missing, and that is a painted blade. If the blade was actually painted like Phoenix Wing and Cobalt Drake, so this Beyblade could be the GOAT in Beyblade X. Anyway, still the Bay is looking insane and amazing for sure. So let's just quickly dive this Beyblade. Let's get started. So here we go, ratchet to 60 on the way. And here it is guys, here we have our new ratchet 260 or ratchet 2. Well, it's looking a little bit weird for me, but I hope after creating this ratchet, I hope it will look much better. Okay everyone, I'm done drawing the templates. Now it's time to cut them all, but before that we are using Fevicol glue. And I have seen many of your comments that many of you try to use super glue and try to add shininess on your cardboard Beyblade templates, but don't do this guys. Make sure to use a glue like this, you know, Fevicol glue. It's much more better. Now let's just keep the template to dry up. Do this guys, if you have an iron at your home, make sure to do this guys. It will help you to cut the cardboard pieces properly with scissors and cutter. Okay, so okay, let's see. Let's give a good look on our template. And here we have our new Cobalt Dragoon template with shininess. Look at that guys, looking very colorful. Wow, not bad guys, look at that. So I'm done cutting all the cardboard templates of Cobalt Dragoon, and here's the actual template. So let's just now quickly create this Beyblade because it can rain at any time guys, because it's the time of rainy season, you know. So yeah, I have to hurry up guys. I don't want this video get fully flopped because of rain. So just do it! Here's the last template of Cobalt Dragoon. Okay, let's also shape the inner side of the Beyblade. And actually guys, I'm not able to be patient anymore because I'm a little bit worried because it can rain at any time. The weather is not looking good to me.
Acha.
So yeah, Cobalt Dragoon actually has a lower 3D look. You can clearly see in the image guys. So yeah, I'm going to add that. And here you go, Cobalt Dragoon with 3D looks. And
meanwhile, 5 minutes later.
कोई बात नहीं.
Sorry. Okay, now let's just quickly add some super glue because as you know guys, it's a cardboard Beyblade, so I have to make it as much solid I can. So guys, I just have done a small mistake, very sorry for that, but you can clearly see I'm very sorry. While I was adding super glue, suddenly guys my finger got stuck on the layer blade, and this happened when I tried to take out my finger. So yeah, this is looking absolutely very bad for sure.
खत्म.
अच्छी तरह से लग जाओ, साला ये टेम्पलेट भी अभी मतलब खराब होना था. And here you go guys, we are done. Now we just have to add some super glue so that it will stick properly. I'm not going to use fabric glue right now because fabric glue will take time to dry up, so I'm just using super glue. And here you go. Okay, so let me just quickly add some more super glue inside the Beyblade. Yeah guys, I also recommend you to use super glue on your cardboard Beyblades because you know guys, this Beyblade is actually made out of cardboard, and cardboard is not actually that much durable like metal or plastic. So you can use super glue to do that. It will make your Beyblade much more durable. So yeah, it's my recommendation. Now it's upon you if you can use it or not. It's your choice. So here's the layer blade, guys, almost done, but we have to do some coloring. We'll do that later. Yeah. Now guys, finally for the last part of this Beyblade, and that is the bed cyclone. And for the bed, guys, I'm going to use a sketch pen like this one. So you just need the cap, because this is the part we will use to create the cyclone bed. Okay, let me just quickly stick it into the layer blade like this way. Okay guys, now to add the spiral shape or the star shape performance tip on this bed, I'm going to use a wall clock like this one. So don't worry guys, I'm not going to use the whole clock. We are just going to use the gears of the clock. This one. Here we go. Here we have our new cyclone bit. Look at that. Yeah guys, now the bit is looking pretty much similar to the real actual cyclone bit. Look at that. Here we go. And yeah guys, I'm very sorry for the background noise. I know guys, you all are not able to hear my voice properly, but yeah, I hope at least you're able to hear my voice. But outside guys, it's raining very heavily. Anyway, here it is guys, look at that, fits very properly. And here's our new Cobalt Dragoon. Look at that guys, from front and from the back. Not bad. Yeah guys, this base is actually looking pretty much like purple. Let me know guys if the color combination is properly good or not. Okay, so hey guys, what's up? So this is the next day, and here's our Cobalt Dragoon. Very sorry guys, yesterday I had load shedding problem, that's why I was not able to record the video anymore. So here it is guys, here's our Cobalt Dragoon fully created. And yeah, I also did some changes on the bed, especially on the cyclone bed. As you can see here, I just attached a flat tip like this one. Well, I know now the bed is not looking that much similar like the real one, but still this will help the bed to perform properly in the stadium, because guys, that small gear tip was not a good idea for this cyclone bed. It really made the Beyblade very unstable in the stadium, so that's why I changed the tip. Now I hope this bed will be much more stable than before. One go, shoot, and here we go. Oh wow, not bad guys, pretty much like a little bit balanced type performance, I guess. Oh, Cobalt Dragoon, and here we go. Oh wow, not bad, nice hits from Cobalt Dragoon. Oh, that was a draw. Okay, Voice Tiger versus Cobalt Dragoon. I have no idea why Cobalt Dragoon is performing like a stamina type or a defense type. I think it's because of the stability, or unstableness. Anyway, what the heck? Why Cobalt Dragoon is acting like Tyranno bit, like jumping gimmick something? Oh, sorry guys, I think Cobalt Dragoon is very unstable for sure. Okay, burst finish, that's all.